For our butterfly braid design, we're going to start with a box braid, and you just part a box, a square in the middle of the head, at the back of the head. That's what I just did. And then when you're done with your box, you carve a heart into that box at the top of the box. You carve your heart at the top of the box, just like I did. The same way we did the other butterfly design. We're going to try the butterfly design today. So just carve a heart. I wanted my figures to come out finer because I noticed this first one I did wasn't that big. So this, once you're done with your heart, remember divide it into two equal halves, and when you're done with that, you put them in place and you start carving out your number 3 for the butterfly wing. So when you're done, carve it. I carved mine in 2 halves. For it to be easier, I just carve a semicircle and another semicircle, but the top half should be bigger than the bottom half because the top half will have more of the designs. So I did the same curve, the semicircle curve at the bottom half of my right butterfly wing. Then start with my antenna for the right butterfly wing. You're just going to carve a little semi-curve, should I say that? Just a little, and then you start braiding. So when you're done braiding, you braid it for the second part of the wing, and then you just make your curve in the same way I did on the right hand of the wing. You do it on the left side. Cut your butterfly wing into 2, the top half and the bottom half. The top half should be bigger than the bottom half. So you make your semicircle, you make it very neat. So once you're done with that, you check if the lines are correct so that our butterfly will be beautiful. Then once you're done with that, you part a little line into the middle to weave down the antenna. You part a little line. That's just like I'm doing right now. You part a little line down the middle of the both wings so that we'll be able to weave the antenna down to make our butterfly really pretty. Then when you're done with that, you weave down your 2 antenna together with one part in the middle, part of hair. So when we're done with that, we're going to start with our braid design, our wing design. So I started with a diagonal line and a curve, just like we did on the other butterfly wing. So, and I cut down the middle of the remaining part of the hair, and I started weaving from the inside. And I weaved inside and I curved it to the diagonal part I did the first time. Then I just weaved it all together into a beautiful curve for the first part of our top half right wing. So this is the design I did. Then for the bottom half, you part a diagonal line, a little curve for the bottom half, and when you're done with that, you just weave the top half together with the bottom half. So when you're done with that, we've gotten the first part of our wing. We repeat the same procedure for the left part of our wing. So we'll just start with the same design. Start with a diagonal and a curve. A diagonal and a curve line. Then we part the middle of the remaining hair and just weave it from the inside upwards, curve, and join it all together to make the top half of the left wing. So as you can see, we're done with the top half of the left wing, and we just cut a diagonal part on the second half of the left wing, and we weave it all together to make our beautiful butterfly design. When you're done, braid the other parts of the hair into one strand of braid. And when you're done, it looks exactly like this. So guys, this is the finished work. If you like it,